Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing something that is incredibly important for those who are managing diabetes: green juice recipes. Green juices are a fantastic way to incorporate nutrient-rich ingredients into your diet, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve overall health. We're going to be sharing 5 delicious green juice recipes that are specifically tailored for diabetics. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Before we dive into the recipes, let's talk about the benefits of incorporating green juice into your diet if you have diabetes. Green juices are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help boost your immune system, improve digestion, and regulate blood sugar levels. By including green juice in your daily routine, you can also increase your intake of leafy greens, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and ability to lower blood sugar levels. Additionally, green juices can help you stay hydrated and feel more energized throughout the day. Recipe 1. Cucumber Ginger Green Juice. Our first green juice recipe is a refreshing and hydrating blend of cucumber and ginger. To make this juice, you'll need 1 medium cucumber, a thumb-sized piece of ginger, 1 lemon, and a handful of spinach or kale. Simply peel the cucumber and ginger, cut them into smaller pieces, and juice them along with the lemon and leafy greens. This juice is not only delicious, but also incredibly hydrating and full of antioxidants. The ginger adds a nice kick to the juice, while the cucumber and lemon help balance out the flavors. Recipe 2. Spinach Apple Green Juice. Next up, we have a sweet and tangy green juice featuring spinach and apples. For this recipe, you'll need 2 green apples, a handful of spinach, 1 cucumber, and a sprig of mint. Wash and chop the apples, cucumber, and mint, and juice them along with the spinach. This green juice is loaded with vitamins A and C as well as fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. The mint adds a refreshing twist to the juice, making it the perfect drink to start your day with. Recipe 3. Kale Pineapple Green Juice. Our third green juice recipe combines the nutrient-packed kale with the tropical sweetness of pineapple. To make this juice, you'll need a few leaves of kale, half a pineapple, 1 orange, and a knob of ginger. Peel and chop the pineapple, orange, and ginger, and juice them along with the kale. This green juice is a fantastic source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, which can help improve insulin sensitivity. The pineapple adds a natural sweetness to the juice, making it a delicious and refreshing treat. Recipe 4. Beet Carrot Green Juice. For our 4th green juice recipe, we're going to be using beets and carrots for their natural sweetness and vibrant colors. To make this juice, you'll need 1 beet, 2 carrots, a small piece of ginger, and 1 apple. Wash and peel the beet, carrots, and apple, and juice them along with the ginger. This green juice is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and improve blood sugar control. The combination of beets and carrots adds a lovely earthy flavor to the juice, making it a great option for those looking to add a bit of sweetness to their green juices. Recipe 5. Celery Cilantro Green Juice. Last but not least, we have a green juice recipe that combines the crispness of celery with the aromatic flavor of cilantro. For this recipe, you'll need a few stalks of celery, a handful of cilantro, 1 cucumber, and 1 lemon. Wash and chop the celery, cilantro, and cucumber, and juice them along with the lemon. This green juice is detoxifying and packed with essential nutrients that can help support liver function and improve digestion. The celery adds a nice crunch to the juice, while the cilantro adds a unique and refreshing flavor that pairs well with the other ingredients. And there you have it. 5 delicious green juice recipes specifically designed for diabetics. By incorporating these nutrient-rich juices into your daily routine, you can help manage your blood sugar levels, improve your overall health, and feel more energized throughout the day. We hope you found these recipes helpful and inspiring. If you try any of them out, be sure to let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching,